Hello, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you the dried baklava recipe with tahini that everyone likes. Baklava is a very famous Turkish dessert. I hope you like it. I have a pack of ready-made baklava dough. I separate 2 pieces of them and I wrap the rest nicely. Because the ready-made baklava dough dries very quickly, it will be difficult to shape it if it dries. That's why I wrap the rest well. I melt about 80 grams of butter and apply it with a brush all around. Then I lay the second dough. I grease it with butter again. I lay the third dough on it. Then I pour 2 tablespoons of tahini on it. I spread it well with a spoon. I sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of sugar on it. If you like sweet, you can increase the amount of sugar. I sprinkle about 1 full tablespoon of ground walnuts on it again. And I wrap it starting from the short edge of the dough as you can see in the video. I try to wrap it as tightly as possible. Then I cut it on the board like in the video. It's ready in such a simple way. I lay them on a baking tray on a greaseproof paper. I repeat the same process until the tray is full. From half a pack of dough, you can make a tray of baklavas. I take my dough and wrap the rest. Look, as you can see, you must pay attention to this, because the dough will dry very quickly and will be unusable. I am preparing all my baklava by repeating the same processes. Then I bake it in 170-degree preheated oven until the top is browned. Dry baklava with tahini, which I had cooked for about half an hour, came out of the oven. Look, they were beautifully blushed. While it is hot, I sprinkle some powdered sugar on them, and then I take it on a serving plate. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.